Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by connecting the console. This is where you act. Use Ethernet for the most stable results, or choose your Wi-Fi SSID and enter the password. Once connected, the PS5 will check for system updates. Make sure to install them because network fixes often come with firmware. After updates, go to Settings, then Network, then set up Internet connection. You're now ready to confirm basic connectivity and move into the configuration steps that optimize speed and stability. Next, focus on the middlework. Run test internet connection so you know your IP, NAT type, and throughput numbers. If speeds or latency are poor, switch from automatic to manual IP and enter fixed addresses. This prevents conflicts. Then change DNS to a trusted service like 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8 to reduce lookup delays. Finally, head to your router. Enable UPnP or forward PS5 ports. This helps achieve NAT type 1 or 2 and improves multiplayer and voice. Finish strong, reboot the router and the PS5, then rerun the connection test to confirm your changes helped. Sign into PlayStation Network, download a small update or demo, and join a party to verify voice and lobby stability. If something still fails, power cycle everything, try a direct Ethernet connection, and only if needed, boot safe mode to rebuild the database. This step often removes corrupted data causing network glitches if issues continue. Note error codes and retry the specific troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.